There is a question or two remaining if Maharishi feels we yet have time. One question is another deep question on the principles of Maharishi's Vedic science. This question has to do with the mechanics of desiring, and is a response to Maharishi's comments of recent press conferences. This question has been asked, I think, many times in slightly different ways. It says, Maharishi, to fulfill desires from the level of softest thinking, must you consciously introduce the specific intention you want to accomplish, or is it a case of Mother Nature knowing what you want before you even desire it?
It's a question of being on the lap of Mother Nature, and then all your desires are her desires. We familiarize ourselves with the transcendental field of total natural law, and then every desire already springs from that level. So every desire springing from the level of total natural law is total support of nature. And nature is invincible and almighty and omnipresent, and therefore automatically every desire gets fulfilled once we have the proper familiarity with that basic level of the source of all thought, the transcendental field where the constitution of the universe is always awake. So we have to be awake on that level, and it's so easy to do. It's so easy to do because we don't have to go out anywhere to get onto it. It's our own value, and we have taught to the world for the last 50 years how simple it is to transcend and be in tune with it. Only with practice, it becomes more and more thoroughly familiar to us, and then one begins to radiate through thought and speech and action. It's very simple, it's very easy, it's very real, It's very real. It's very real. And now we can talk in terms of the theoretical finding of every physical science also. So it's nothing obscure now to the intellectual field of scientific research. It's very beautiful, it's very beautiful. So invite the press and thank the press and summarize to them in your words your message of today, which is the message of every tomorrow.